it's Stephanie. We're staying at the Hound Hotel in the Nampo neighborhood in Busan. Come along for a room tour.
And we have a nice sized bed, very pretty. And we have a TV, and you have Wi-Fi access. And the Wi-Fi, it's actually pretty quick. You have a kettle where you can heat up your water, and they give you some complimentary tea and coffee. You have a refrigerator, which has complimentary water. Over by the bed, you have an outlet on each side. You have a closet that has 2 bathrobes and a safe so you can lock up your items. And there's a work area in case you need to do some work. There's also some outlets on the desk. This hotel has a very nice bathroom. It has a large bathtub and a large sink area with some bathroom amenities. You have a nice rainfall shower, and the toilet is right next door. And it's one of those really amazing Asian toilets.
Wrapping up our tour, the room was adequate and worked for us. It's right next to Biff Square, so you can have all the street food you want. It's centrally located. You can hop on a bus to Gomchon Village, and you're 2 train rides away from the beach. We enjoyed our 2-night stay here. I hope you enjoyed watching, and stay tuned for more videos from our trip to Korea.